Salam, ladies and gentlemen. This is Muhammad Tanwir Al-Baki with the Hussaini channel, and today the master is at work. The Superman. Now this tattoo is perfect for this workouts. Carefully reading through the instruction manual, the superhero decides his next strategies. Meow, meow, meow. This is where the seat goes. This is how the seat looks from the ladies and gentlemen. This is the last step right here, ladies and gentlemen. Then what is? Oh yeah, the pedometer. Tell you about that one. Put it soon, brother, so we can cycle it and go. I do different accents. That's what I do. How about Russian? Boris. My name is Boris. 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 The handle cover. The straps of the pedals. Ladies and gentlemen, our very own hijabi model, the rockstar Umi.